In this video, let me show you how to fix app notification not showing. Now, if you're facing this issue, the first thing that you need to do is check the notification permission within the application. So for example, if you're not receiving the application for Instagram or any other application, simply tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to permissions and make sure that the notifications is allowed or toggled on. If this was toggled off you, this is the exact issue that you're facing. Also, secondly, make sure that the do not disturb mode or the focus mode within your device is not enabled. If it is enabled, make sure you disable it as well. Alongside that, also make sure that the power saver or battery saver mode is also disabled. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, in this situation, what you could try out is within the same settings, head over to storage, make sure you tap on clear storage. Simply tap on delete. What this will do is delete any sort of corrupted files and will also log you out of your account. And while you're on the same screen, what you could also do is simply head over to the mobile data users and make sure that the background data is toggled on. If this background data is disabled, this may also be the issue that you're facing. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.